Namaste and a very good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are healthy and fine. This is Poonam Kori ma'am, again back with your maths class. Now, topic of today is fraction. We are going to learn comparison of like fractions. First of all, tell me what are like fractions? We already have learned types of fractions. So, what are like fractions? Like fractions are the fractions which have same denominator. So, if we look at this figure, the circle is divided into 4 equal parts and one part out of 4 is shaded. If we want to write it in the form of a fraction, we can say 1 by 4 of the circle is shaded. Now we look at the second figure. 2 parts out of 4 are shaded, or we can say 2 by 4 of the circle is shaded. Now there is one more figure which is shaded 3 parts out of 4. So we can say 3 by 4 is shaded. Now these are like fractions because they have same denominator. But if we want to compare them, if you look at the figures, which figure is having the maximum shaded area? Obviously you will say 3 by 4. Last figure is shaded maximum. So what can we conclude here? We can say 1 by 4 is smaller than 2 by 4 and 2 by 4 is smaller than 3 by 4. So what can we say? To compare like fractions, compare the numerator, greater the numerator, greater the fraction. As you can see, 1, 2 and 3, these are the numerator in their respective fractions. So, which fraction is having the maximum shaded area? Fraction having the greatest numerator. So, that is why we can say 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4 and 2 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. So if we are given like fractions, we just need to compare their numerator. Greater the numerator, greater the fraction. So with this, you can do exercise 6.5 question number 1. So let's start. I am picking up A part. Question is compare the fractions and put appropriate sign, that is equal to, greater than or less than in brackets. A part is 10 by 15 and 8 by 15. As you can see, the denominators are same. So the fractions are like fractions. So how do we compare like fraction? We just compare their numerator. So 10 and 8. Which one is bigger? Obviously 10. So the fraction 10 by 15 is greater than 8 by 15. Now let's pick up one more example. C part 3 by 9 and 5 by 9. Again they are like fractions having same denominator. So we just need to compare their numerator. So obviously 3 by 9 is smaller than 5 by 9. I hope now you can compare the like fractions and put the sign accordingly. With this you can complete question number 1, all parts. Question number 2 and question number 3, 4 we are not doing, that is not in our syllabus. So we move to the next concept, that is addition of like fractions. So for that, let's take an example. Mama baked a cake and she divided the cake into 8 equal parts. She gave one part to your father. So what fraction of the cake has she given to your father? 1 by 8. As usual, you are hungry and you love cake. So you ask for more parts of the cake from your mama. So she gave you 2 parts out of 8. So you can say 2 by 8 of the cake has been eaten by you. Okay. If we put them together like this, 2 part you have eaten and 1 part Papa has eaten. If we put these 2 together, we see that 3 parts out of 8 parts have been eaten by both of you. So what fraction of the cake has been eaten? We can say it is 3 by 8. So we have basically put together your portion and your papa's portion, and putting together is nothing but addition. So we can say when we added 1 by 8 and 2 by 8, we got 3 by 8. But if you observe this equation carefully, you will see 1 by 8 and 2 by 8, they are like fractions and we are adding them. So when we added them, we wrote the addition of numerators, that is 1 plus 2 is 3, and denominator once. We didn't add the denominator, we wrote the denominator once and we added the numerator. So 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3 and 8 will be written as denominator. So how do we add like fraction? We just add the numerator and keep the denominator as it is. I hope now you will be able to add like fractions. Okay, so we move to the next exercise 6.6. Add the following fractions and write the results in the simplest form. I have picked up question number 1A part. Question is 5 by 9 plus 4 by 9. As you can see, they are like fractions. So we just need to add their numerators. So we can say 5 plus 4 by 9. We will add their numerators and write the denominator once. So 5 plus 4 is 9 by 9. 9 divided by 9 is nothing but 1. So the answer is 1. Now we take one more example, C part. 1 by 12 plus 3 by 12. Now in this case also the fractions are like fraction. So we will be adding their numerator and writing the denominator just once. So 1 plus 3 by 12. 1 plus 3 is 4 by 12. Now we have to reduce them in simplest form also. So 4 by 12 both are divisible by 4. So we divide 4 by 12 by 4. 4 divided by 4 will give us 1 and 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. So the fraction is 1 by 3. Now D part, again same question, subtract the following fractions and write the result in the simplest form. Addition and subtractions are same in like fractions. All the steps are going to remain same. Only thing is, instead of addition, now you will be subtracting the numerators. So I have picked up D part. Question is 6 by 14 minus 2 by 14. As you can see, these are like fractions having same denominator. So we will be subtracting their numerator and writing the denominator once. How? 6 minus 2 by 14, that is 4 by 14. Now both are divisible by 2. So we will be dividing them by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So the final answer is 2 by 7. Now last question, E part, 12 by 17 minus 5 by 17. We will be subtracting the numerator and writing the denominator once. So 12 minus 5 is 7 by 17. So that is your final answer, because they are this fraction is already in the simplest form. Now we will not be doing addition or subtraction of unlike fractions as well as their word problem. So till now, that's for the today's class. I hope it is clear. Thank you.